Hello, good people. It's Tracy.
And I'm Dan.
And Tracy's driving because Dan's making her drive all over the place. Let me tell you something. Don't be coming up to my car. Don't come up to my car and then act like you're going to try to race me. Because guess what my husband told me?
If you floor it, you better win.
He wasn't kidding.
I don't play, y'all.
That's how we roll. Let's go get something to eat. We are getting us some chicken. When you get so involved in eating your food that you fling barbecue sauce into your eye.
You can honestly say you accomplished.
I'm devoted, apparently. My eye. I mean, that chicken was spring loaded or something. It just went right back in the cow. Look at the thing. Did you get your belly full?
I did.
I did too. Like it chicken. Now I ain't got no lipstick on except for remnants. Let's get rid of them, okay? Anyway, so where we going now?
I got to return a couple of pieces to the Lowe's.
Let's go.
No, I'm not a writer.
Okay.
Y'all, I thought I had seen it all in my, however old I am, which I'm not telling. But they have come out with a GPS-enabled lawnmower to keep your yard mowed. So those of you that are lazy like me, who hate yard work, can buy one of these and sit back and watch the magic. That is, if you got $1,600 to spare.
Clean, it mows your yard.
Yeah.
That's... Danny, we are living in a great time. What do you think? Would you buy it? Would you buy it?
If we didn't live where we live in the swamp. Hi, y'all. We're about done with our day. Tracy just finished our weekly shopping, and we're going to head home before the monsoon hits because we're supposed to have some bad storms come through later on this evening. So y'all stay safe. Love one another.
Is that thunder?
No, that was...
Okay. Because it sounded like thunder there for a second. I about dropped the camera.
And we'll see y'all next time. Say goodbye, Tracy.
Bye!
See y'all.